sports injury clinic, and I thought I'd put a video clip together on going over how to use the foam roller, and also I'll mention using the spiky ball at the end of the video clip. Using the foam roller can be great for relieving muscle tightness and soreness, inflammation, and can help also increasing the joint range of movement. So I'm using a smooth foam roller today. If you are recovering from injury, it's probably a better place to start than anything more fierce. But if you rest the calf on, and depending on how you feel, that might be enough pressure for you to tolerate. This is something that can feel a little bit uncomfortable, but we certainly don't want to push into anything that's too uncomfortable to tolerate, in which case that might be too much to bear. So with the calf release, you just glide over the muscle belly, gliding back and forth, perhaps tilting the leg out to the side depending where you are tighter, or perhaps turning it in. So next muscle group that I'll mention, the hamstrings. So just gliding further up and glide back and forth again. Adjusting the pressure to what you can tolerate will help increase boost the blood flow, increase the circulation, and flush away any pain chemicals away there. Next up, glutes, going a bit higher. You can just perhaps lean back and glide over that. It might help just to tilt out to the side there, and you know where is best to release, because it can feel a bit uncomfortable. Now sometimes if you've done a lot of running, you're a bit tighter on the outside of the thigh, so then you just glide over and work on the outside there. And just gliding back and forth, either using the arms to offload the pressure as necessary. And then of course we have quads at the front of our thighs, so just resting onto the forearms there, and you can either do two legs and release both together, or perhaps you might want to work on the outside of the thigh, or perhaps the inside, just gliding back and forth there. Now I appreciate that the foam roller might be too much pressure and can be a bit tricky to focus in on glutes that can get tight. So this is where we can use spiky balls as an easier option perhaps. And you lie on your back, head on the towel, pop these underneath your hips there on the fleshier part, and you have your knees and feet together. You can always have your arms out to the side for a bit of stability. And you glide the knee out to the side, both knees together. And if you want to work releasing both sides, you can alternate, taking the knees to the right and then the left. Or if you feel you're tighter on one side, perhaps the left in this example, you just take the knees over, hold, feel the pressure on the tight muscle, and then come off. So we'll remove the spiky balls there. You may, after a foam release, maybe want to do more of a static stretch. I'm showing you the glute stretch here as an example, or what other stretches that may help for different muscle groups. So I hope that's been useful, certainly to help loosen muscle tightness or relieve any tension or tender spots within muscle bellies that can happen after exercise. I hope this helps. Thank you.